friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Node.js. Today we are going to learn about how to implement user authentication with Node.js and the PostgreSQL. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So first of all, let me open my VS Code, which the code I have already implemented. Okay, so let's go to the Postman and check each and everything. Let's open the PG admin also. So where it is located, I should run with the alt tilt. Okay, so here we have the terminal. So let me run the node app.js. Okay, so it is running. Let's go to the Postman and check each and everything. So first we have go with the register the account. So make it a post request. I have already, I think this is a post request. Body is there? No. So here we have the body. So first we go with the register. Okay, so here we have the body that we require email, password and username. Okay, so I'm going to add the username also, test56. Okay, so this is that one in the PG admin. I think it's logged in now. Let's go to the REST API. I think it's REST API, right? So here we have the users model. Let's go and check this. So here we have two records already. Let's create a one record more. So here we have a register with the, we will add here the joe @mailiter.com send. Here you can see that record has been created. Let's check this one. Here you can see test67 joe@mailiter. This is recorded with the password also. Next we are going to log in with this account, then login, and let's remove the username, require the email and the password. Let's try to send it. There is a comma over here, so let me send again. So here we receive the token, right? So on the behalf of token, I'm going to retrieve the details of that user. So let's go and check with this one, get. Then here we have the user info API. So let me add this user info. Okay, and here in the headers we require the authorization token. So let me add this token over here. Okay, if suppose I am adding the wrong token, let's suppose one, then it says that the invalid token. Okay, we know that if I remove this one, that means the token is validated, and now we am this API will give me the user info. Okay, send it, and here you can see that the user ID is 3. So this information is giving me on the behalf of user ID. You can retrieve anything, right? So this is that one. So that means authenticated routes we have done. We have implemented the JWT also in that one, and register and the login, and the with the help of the authentication token we are going to retrieve the user information. So we are going to learn in this video. Let's dive into the code level. Okay, so this is our first env. Okay, so this is that one issue of that one, the port JSON part, right? Okay, so here we go with this one. So let me close this. So first we have to create a env file .env with with this following parameters: secret key, db name, db port, host, password, user and the port. Okay, then we have a main thing, that is app.js file. Before that one we have to install some of the packages, that is Express, bytecrypt, pg, json web token and .env. Okay, so install all of this npm packages. After this we have to go with create a app.js file. Okay, so here we require the Express, bytecrypt, pg, json web token and the .env. Okay, and here we have .env config because we have to get all the information from the env file, so that's why .env config is used. Okay, so here we have initialized with the app, right, Express, and which port you want to listen the server, so you have to mention it over here. First we do the connection with the new PG pool. So here we have the DB user, password, host, port, and the DB name. Okay, so it will all retrieve from your env file, right? Next we have to use, because we are using the JSON, so we have to use the express.json, right? So here I think there is a express.json part is there. Okay, next we have a registration part. So registration, we require username, email, and the password, okay, from the body parameter. Then we are using the bycrypt, okay, for hashing the passwords. Okay, so we have to use the hash passwords, right? So here we are trying to insert the user's username, email, and the password into the users table. Okay, and if it is recorded, then we are going to return that record. If something goes wrong, it will go to the server error with 500 status code, right? Then we have a login. That's important. We require email, password to login, and select start from user where email. So we were checking the email. After that, fetching the record, we are going to check. After getting the record, if there is no user, then that invalid credentials over there. If we get the user, then we are going to compare the password with the user password that he entered. If it is not matched, then we show that the invalid credentials. Okay, if it is matched, then we are going to sign their token with their user ID and return how many time it will it expires in, right? So here you can see that expires in 1 hour, or you can extend the time according to it. Okay, then return the JSON token. Okay, after this returning the JSON token, okay, and if something goes wrong, it will not going to return the token, and it will give you the server error with status code 500. Okay, then we have to create a verify, that is middleware function token verification. So here I'm checking with getting the, so here you can see that the API, how I bind this routes. So here we have a verify token in the protected route for the user information. So here user info verify token. So first it will go to the verify token. Okay, and whatever we have a headers authorization, it will go and split that one. And if the token is not, then the missing token is there. And if JWT verify token, then here we go with that one. So I think here we can also do with process the secret key, because I think here also, because here I have added the static one, and here we go with the process.env secret. Okay, then request user dot decoded next, and if there is everything is right, then it will give you the decoded user, else it will show you that token verification failed, error dot message, and invalid token. Okay, and then protected route for the user information, that is this one user info, and here we are returning the user information. Okay, then on which the server is listening on the port, so here we have defined. Okay, so this is how you are going to implement the full-fledged user authentication with Node.js and the PostgreSQL. Any doubt, any query, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.